Installation Techniques of TPO. Universal Corners and Inside Corners. Look at the tools we required. To start, let's remove top portion of TPO universal corner by cutting a long dotted line. Tips: save excess material which can be used to make T-joint covers. Clean deck membrane and corner with weathered membrane cleaner. Position the corner. When welding TPO flashing accessories, initial temperature setting for heat welder should be 6 on a scale of 1 to 10. Starting with the vertical section, begin welding at the innermost center point and work outward. Weld the horizontal section to the deck membrane, starting in the center and working outward. Use hand roller to crease the corner into any membrane step-offs. Check all welds with a seam probiance completely cooled for about 30 minutes.